Good morning.
Good morning. How are you? That good? Mm. Mm. At least it's going to be a little warmer today.
That is nice.
Yes, but I think it's supposed to rain.
At least it's not snow. Don't have to shovel it.
True that.
Waiting for the last connection here. Oh, that looks promising.
There
Good
they are.
morning. So we're going to be working on a different Learn by Ear song today. This is Whiskey Before Breakfast, or Spirits in the Morning, if you would prefer the other title. It's in the key of D, and I'm going to play it all the way through that you get a big picture of it, and then we'll take it down into sections. I believe when I recorded it, initially I did a 4-pony introduction, but I will do only 2 ponies today. So the A section repeats. Here's the B section. B section repeats. So that's your overview. So 2 ponies in the first measure. Together and. starts on A that you finished the old measure on. So we'll just tack it on. Again. So the next half measure starts on F sharp. Is everybody good that far? Maybe. Okay. A couple more times then. We will call this section, ignoring the ponies, the yellow part, if that helps stick it in your head. All right, so the next measure so maybe it'll help, but we'll call this the green section. It starts on a G. So the green section. Okay, gonna go back to the beginning and put yellow and green together. So far, everything is first position. All right, new parts. That's a half measure starting on an E. New part. let's do green into the new part, and so this new part is a connector, the next 4 notes. Starting on the G, next 4 notes. From green, connector, again, again, right, from the beginning, that far. 2 ponies to start, and again, and good. So what's going to happen next? We've got our yellow section, our green section, our connector. Then we're going to have yellow, green, and instead of a connector, we'll have a finishing cadence. So I'm going to practice that first, and then we'll put it together. The finishing cadence starts on E, like the connector did. So start from green and tack that on. All right, yellow, green, and the cadence. Just in case there's any confusion, the 2 ponies are not part of yellow. The 2 ponies are so I can count in without using my voice today. So right in on the yellow, green cadence. All right, we're gonna put all of the A section together. So 2 ponies, yellow, green, connector, yellow, green, cadence. Everybody a moment. Then I'd like to do that much again with a repeat. All right. Beginning. Try that much again. I'll do the ponies to lead us off, and then I will play different things. Did everybody make it? All right, shaking heads till they rattle. All right, so we will begin the B section. The B section is gonna start on D on the A string. That D over there. And it's the first time we're gonna have a dotted quarter note. So you can know that that first note is a little bit longer than a quarter note. I'm gonna do 2 ponies, even though it wouldn't really be, but since we're starting the B section. That'll be our section. Right on it. right, so the next 2-measure chunk of this starts on E. Violins, you can use your open E. Cellos, that's not going to work for you. So you want to go to 4th position E. And then shift back to 1st. So I'm going to do the one that starts on E. Okay, so we're going to put those two things together, the chunk that starts on D and then the chunk that starts on E. Again, and. So what I want to do now, we're going to play the chunk that starts on D, the chunk that starts on E. I'm going to keep going and do 2 measures you don't know yet. And then it'll be green and then cadence. And then we'll take a repeat that you can practice the chunk on D and chunk on E again. So you actually know 80% of it for not knowing it yet. And I'll try and cue in when green happens. So this is the B section, starting on D. And next time we will officially learn those 2 measures. Although if you manage to figure them out on your own ahead of time, you'll have your 25 points. Beginning, full song. people are already figuring out the part I just said fudge through. Nice job. On my website is this tune on all instruments, violin, viola, cello. So if you want to see it on not cello, that is very, very possible. I anticipate next week that we will be finishing this one. Since it's 25 points, there's 3 learn by ear songs this point contest. So even though I was planning to go into the round book, it's going to probably wait till after point contest. Happy Lunar New Year to everyone.
Thank you, Miriam. Have a great day, guys.
Thank you. That one made a little bit more musical sense at the outset than the other one did. The other one works, but it's just a lot more gymnastics, mental gymnastics. So,
Is that what you call it,
gymnastics? What'd you say, Linda?
I said, is that what you call it, gymnastics?
Mental gymnastics, yeah. The last one.
Yeah.
You should say.
Well, have a nice week, everybody.
You too.